Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to dive into an interesting problem that many developers face in their code. The problem revolves around the graceful termination of a process, ensuring that local and static objects destructors are called before ending the program without generating a core dump. This can be quite a tricky situation to handle, especially when there are critical errors that require immediate termination of the process. Now let's talk about the solution to this problem. If you want to ensure that local variables are destroyed correctly before terminating the process, your best bet is to either return back through the call stack or throw an exception that you catch in the main function. These approaches allow for proper stack unwinding and ensure that destructors of objects with automatic storage duration are called. Contrary to common belief, functions like std exit in std _exit actually do not generate a core dump and call the destructors of static storage duration objects. In summary, when faced with the dilemma of gracefully terminating a process while ensuring that local and static objects are properly cleaned up, the best approach is to either return through the call stack or throw and catch an exception in the main function. This ensures that all necessary destructors are called before the program ends. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.